So I'm kind of done with the family room. Still a few boxes here to put away, but not much. And today we've been outside in the garden. It's the weekend. Here's the deck. I put this little outdoor, well actually it's not an outdoor, it was an island in my house a few years ago, and then it sat in the garage in the last house, and then I thought, you know what, it could work as a potting bench. Blueberry's happy, the lily is happy, and I got my sons cutting up all the branches that were sticking out. Khalid is picking up the branches. So we're trying to clear up the bottom, or the back of the deck, and Kenton is planning to put a garden bed or build a garden bed for me. So you see we do have space here. So I forgot what color these hydrangeas were gonna be. At first I was like, oh, they're gonna be white, but then you see a little flicker of pink here, and this is what another flower looks like. So it is going to be pink. So I'm at the front of the house, and we've got also this holly tree, or really holly should be, or this plant should have been a hedge, but it overgrew, and so that's why it looks like that. But anyway, you can see it over under the roof and around the water draining thingy. I don't know what the technical term is, but you can see, so that needs to cut because that's dangerous. It's kind of growing in towards the house. All right, so Kareem has a step ladder on the inside there. I'm like, you better not fall down. Good job. Might want to go, well, I don't know how far your arm can reach, but we need to go a little farther in. Kareem is going to be such a good husband one day, a good boyfriend. Oh, you don't think that's funny? But it's true. You're going to be such a good husband or boyfriend one day. He's not ready for that though. I don't remember if you saw when we moved in, this hedge was so overgrown. And it's a big hedge in the front of the house. Kareem cut it. Look how well he did. It's such a good job. Hand cut hedge. And it goes all around. Go, Miriam. It's a good size, right?
Yeah. So actually, I can even go tomorrow. And get one more of these cut in half.
Yeah.
I can make
another bed
box.
Yeah,
so
that'd be nice.
This weekend, because it's only $16 for that
what?
one board.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. I can get it.
But so far, the total cost what? How much?
Oh, it's ridiculous. Well, this was only $1.
That, yeah, this piece that I picked out.
Yeah, yeah.
But
so
the boards.
But the boards that we originally bought, but that's because we had posts too. It was like $90. How far back?
A little bit more.
Wait, this is this side. Like that?
Yeah. Hey you guys, I am pooped. I've been sweeping, repotting plants, cleaning, just a lot of housework. And as much as I enjoy it, it can be exhausting at times. But it's all good. I'm not complaining, right? Anyway, I need to go drink some water. You need to go drink some water too. How much water have you drank today? We're supposed to ideally drink almost a gallon of water a day for most of us, right? As long as you're exerting yourself. So go drink your water so you don't get dehydrated and so you're not constipated. I know, TMI. Especially as it's getting warmer, go get your water. So once you finish watching this video, go get your water. Also I need to go cook something, right? And let it simmer a little bit. Cooked down and it's soft. Hey Kenton.
Hey sweetie, how you doing?
You're all red. Here, come here.
Been
See,
outside.
I look rough too. You're not the only one who looks rough. Is this sunburn or what?
Yeah, a little bit, because I think so, because I was out.
Looks a little rosacea-ish.
Yeah. Always got
All right, let's
rosy
see.
cheeks.
Rosy cheeks, yeah, let's see.
Oh yeah, huh?
Get back to this. Can't take your eye off of it or else it will burn quickly. But it makes the tortilla firmer and sweeter and kind of gives it that smoky, sweet, versus when you get it like this, it breaks easily and it's just super soft. But it just falls apart easily. See, look. But once you toast it, it keeps it together. Carrots and broccoli. Not exactly Mexican, but time to eat. So here's the tacos, onions. Make your own taco, basically build a taco. Quite spicy. I think I went overboard. My little hack is that I cook it with a little bit of salsa with jalapenos, and I think I put a little too much. So it's perfect for daddy, but it's a little spicy for me. Hey honey, I'm making you a plate. I didn't realize that salsa was quite hot. So it's like you cook it in with the meat, in my case. All right, here is Kenton's plate. He doesn't want any rice. Proud of him. The kids did get rice though. You can see.
Thanks, honey.
I love at the end of the day when all the dishes are done, everything is nice and clean. Let me put away this toaster. I hate when the appliances, too many appliances are up. Oh, I like to put them down. The only thing I want up here is the kettle, because I'm always drinking tea. So I just put that to boil. Have a glass or mug of warm water. And the stove is clean. So the children all take turns doing the dishes, and whoever does the dishes does the microwave and stove. So all done, and I found all my ornaments. You know, I'm obsessed with these food-oriented ornaments. Let's see, which are my faves? Oh no, we don't mix the burger with the sweets. We have our sweets here. Let's see, I like this one. This one's one of my most recent. This cake here. And I like this kind of puff pastry with the cream. It reminds me of desserts in Europe. A nice giant cupcake. Oh my lord, be careful, Habiba. Oh, here is definitely one of my favorites right here. This macaroon. Stack of macaroons. So I know you guys are thinking, it's not Christmas. Why does she have these ornaments out? Because I think you should surround yourself with anything that makes you happy and makes you smile, and it's beautiful, and there's no rule that says I can't have ornaments out just because it's not Christmas. It's Christmas every day in my heart. Yeah? Or, you know what I mean, not necessarily Christmas, but it's always a day for celebration. You woke up. You woke up. This here is my grandfather, may he rest in peace. This was his blender. This was his before he passed. He used to make cakes here every year. Several times a year he made the kids cakes, and he gave me his recipe, and I hope you guys have checked out my Jamaican black cake recipe. It was like one of my first videos that blew up. Definitely one of my first videos that really blew up was that Jamaican black cake. Anyway, she has a special place in my heart, and this one, my bigger one, is from my hubby. This one is the professional grade KitchenAid. Plant here, just missed it a little bit, just a little bit. It likes the moisture, likes to feel like it's been raining. Now you know you got these fancy misters out there for plants, but all you need, honey, is one of these from the dollar store. Fill it with water, cold water, and your plants will thank you. Just gives it that feeling like it's in the rainforest. I just noticed this island here does not look clean. Should we go outside first before we go to bed? Or before we go upstairs? This is what the deck looks like at night. See, it's pretty pitch black. Well, you can kind of see over there where you see the light is the neighbor's deck. Can you see the box, the garden bed they built today? Over there. But anyway, this is what the deck looks like at night. Just turned around. It's so cute out here. So cute. kind of misted my bromeliad also before I go to bed. It likes the humidity. And I brought this little garden fairy outside by the fern. Anyway, let's go in for the night. So this is a smoker and a grill.
Yeah.
Why is Miriam so grouchy? Enjoying yourself, Kareem? Yeah, well, just make sure it comes out and I don't look crazy.
Well, this is corn. Look, this is the right height. There you go.
Yeah, probably about here.
That's exactly what I did.
Okay.